In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo in a quick and easy tutorial. First off, if you don't already have a Klaviyo account, you'll need to create one. This is essential for the integration with Shopify. So let's begin by opening up your web browser and heading over to klaviyo.com. Once the web page loads, you'll want to look for the sign up button prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're on the right track. The sign up process will require you to provide some basic information. First, click on the email field to enter your email address. This will be the primary login credential for your new Klaviyo account. Next, proceed to the password field and set a secure password. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, you'll need to input some business-oriented details. Click on the company name field and enter your business or company's name. After that, move down to the company website field where you'll place your official website URL. If you don't have a website yet, you can enter a placeholder URL, but it's best to have your live site ready for seamless integration. Another bit of information you'll be asked for is your phone number. Click on the phone number field and plug that in, as Klaviyo may use this for verification or support purposes. Then you'll need to answer the question, how will you be using Klaviyo? This helps Klaviyo tailor the experience to your business needs. When you're ready, hit the Create Account button, and in no time you'll have your new Klaviyo account set up. As soon as you're logged in, Klaviyo will prompt you with a series of questions about your business. Make sure to provide all the necessary details. After answering each question, click Continue to proceed. One of the questions will ask you to select your primary business platform. For our purpose here today, you'll want to select Shopify from the list of options. Once you've done that, hit Continue. Now, you need to type in your My Shopify URL. You can find this by logging into your Shopify account. It will usually be visible on the top right portion of your Shopify page. Click on My Store, then All Stores, and simply copy the URL for the active Shopify store you're integrating with Klaviyo. Head back to Klaviyo and paste that URL into the appropriate field and click Continue. Klaviyo will now redirect you to your Shopify account, where you'll be prompted to install Klaviyo's email marketing and SMS tool. Click the Install button to initiate the installation process. As you progress, Klaviyo will ask you to sync your data between the two platforms. Click Continue again. Provide additional details like your business address and sender information, and confirm how you'd like to communicate with your subscribers. Lastly, you'll need to activate your Klaviyo account using a link sent to your registered email address. Once activated, congratulations, your Shopify store is now successfully connected to your Klaviyo account, ready for you to start utilizing Klaviyo's powerful tools to enhance your marketing efforts.